Ano ba po, kabalyan ko sa kay Puya, ako'y Luis Season ni Variant Pampanga. So ngini nga ba kayo ni at kami kayo ng PTT Apalit para i-feature mi yung grand opening na ni Cafe Amazon. Ano labaretang pwedeng gawan Kenny or nalaretang serve ng pamangan Kenny. Lawenta mo po ngini nga doon ngayon so abayon nyo kami po. Strong. There you go. So guys, just to tell you kung nanolaretang sa serve da Kenny. So tinta mong hot coffee. They also got iced coffee. They got milk and chocolate drinks. They got tea. They also have smoothies. We also have cakes. It's an alternative for your usual coffee shop, Cafe Amazon, here in PTT Apalit. So may Bisaya pala i-Cafe Amazon keng Thailand. Currently, keng Thailand natin lang around 2,000 of these similar kind of cafes. They started branching out to other countries like Laos, Cambodia, Japan. They have 11 coffee shops here in the Philippines and this is the 8th one. So, congratulations Cafe Amazon, PTT Apalit for grand launching. At intana naman pupunta lang kayo ng Apalit. Iced Thai tea. Ini naman is iced green tea. Ini naman is Amazon tea. Kuntala. Wow, yaman na. Ito po, so it has officially opened. This is the 8th Cafe Amazon in the Philippines and I've heard ini po yung first glass enclosed concept kay Philippines. So congratulations PTT Apalit. Sana dakala rin makapag-enjoy kayo ni kudos guys. Again, we are here at Cafe Amazon. Thank you so much for inviting us, sir.
Thank you for coming.
Alright. So, sir, please tell us more about Cafe Amazon.
Cafe Amazon is a franchise coffee shop from Thailand.
Yes.
We do oil and retail business in Thailand.
Okay.
And then we started 16 years ago in Thailand.
16 years ago, wow.
And right now we have more than 2,000
More than 2,000 branches.
in Thailand.
In Thailand.
Throughout the country. And then we also expand to a CMLB country, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and in the Philippines.
Now it's
In the Philippines. And even we have it in Japan and Oman. And we're gonna open soon in Singapore.
Soon in Singapore. Okay.
Yes.
So what are the signature like products for?
Okay, I would like to introduce you the Thai milk tea.
This is really popular.
Yes, very popular in Thailand.
yeah.
Very good. And then I think it's the best Thai milk tea in the Philippines.
Best Thai milk tea in the Philippines.
Yes.
Okay. So aside from milk teas, what else do we serve?
We also offer the hot coffee,
Yes.
hot Amazon, espresso, cappuccino, and then we also have a frap.
Yes. All right. So we would like to congratulate you on your 8th branch here in the Philippines. Any chances of branching more in Pampanga?
Yes, of course.
All right.
Yes, of course. Because we have a lot of stations in Pampanga.
Yes.
So we have a lot of network here.
Again, congratulations.
All right, thank
Sir,
you very
please
much.
invite our local viewers to come and visit Amazon. Cafe
Yeah,
Amazon.
please come to visit Amazon. Is with the ambient of the Amazon ambient. With you have the green ambient.
Exactly.
And then,
Yeah.
and then value for money.
Correct. Value for money.
For our product.
All right.
And
Thanks so much.
Avanti is a premium product from Thailand.
Exactly. I agree.
All right.
Thanks so much, sir.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
Please come and visit Cafe Amazon.
Cafe Amazon.